Hello, my name is Shemilere and I'm going to be showing a demonstration on how to use our Just Food ice cream premix powder to produce ice cream. Bowl here, and we are going to be producing gelato today, and the ratio for this is 1 part of the mix to 1.7 part water. Water has been measured to 1.75 and the mix has been measured to 1 kg. So now we have to whisk together. So first I'm going to pour my water into a bucket or a container. Then I'm going to gradually pour my dry mix, while I whisk in the water. So it's going to be a continuous whisking process. And I continue whisking until it is completely incorporated. So I'm going to cover this now and age in a refrigeration unit, and I'm going to be explaining to you why I do so. Now our ice cream mix is out of the refrigerated unit or our fridge, and we're going to mix. As you can see, there's a consistency difference. It has gotten thicker, it has emulsified, as I've explained earlier. And now it is ready to pour into your ice cream machine. In a refrigerated unit, the first reason is a temperature gradient, so it allows for a smooth temperature transition from the homogenization of the product till the end product, which is your ice cream. So another reason why is to get the maximum output from your product. You are using our Just Food ice cream premix. You can get the maximum output, maximum yield by aging in a refrigerated unit. Another reason that we age in a refrigerated unit is for machine optimization. We do know that our ice cream machines make our ice cream at a lower temperature, that is between -5 to -8 degrees Celsius. So refrigerating helps to optimize your machines. You are using less energy, you are saving time because it is already a cold mix. And another reason why you should age in a refrigerated unit is to ensure product consistency. That way your customers can make sure that anytime they are coming to your outlet, it is the same product at each instance. Aging in a refrigerated unit also ensures that environmental factors like bodily fluids and dirt that are present in your kitchen does not affect your product. But we do recommend that you age your ice cream mix with similar products and not with products that can cause cross-contamination.